What's up everyone? JP from Oracle Lighting here to show you the new Oracle Demon Eye kit for the 2019 and up Chevy Silverado headlights. This is an excellent upgrade to complement the RGB+W DRL kit that we also offer for the headlights. The Demon Eyes use the exact same positioning as the factory low beam LEDs to project the light outward. As you can see here, the lights are very bright, very brilliant in color. The install is really straightforward, so we're going to get into showing you that now. In the box, you'll find the main LED driver harness, along with 2 sets of RGB Demon Eye circuit boards. To remove the lens, preheat your oven to 225 degrees. Insert the headlight lens up and bake for 15 minutes. Then remove the headlight. Remove these 3 T25 bolts to remove the bumper support bracket. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry outward on the black lip around the perimeter of the headlight as shown to loosen up the seal and work your screwdriver under the lens. Once you feel the lens loosen up, begin to pull it away from the housing. You may need to use your flathead to loosen up the seal around the corners. Remove these 3 T25 bolts. Remove the DRL assembly and set it to the side. Drill a 10mm hole here as shown. Next, to install the 3 Demon Eye circuit boards. Remove the red plastic to expose the 3M adhesive. Place the first circuit board with the main cable on the outer low beam. Once in place, press down and make sure the LEDs are hanging just over the low beam. Repeat the same steps with the center and inner low beam, being sure to tuck your cables behind the housing. Use a pick tool to depin the main cable plug and then remove it. Route the main cable around the outer low beam and then pass the cable through the 10mm hole we drilled earlier. Once you've pulled the remaining slack of the cable through the housing, use a blade to slightly bend the locking tabs on the cable ends outward as shown. Then, reinsert the cable ends back into the black JST connector. Reinstall the DRL assembly, then resecure the 3 T25 Torx bolts. Now we'll use the LED driver harness to test our Demon Eyes. Plug the main cable into the LED driver connector. Apply 12 volts to the black wire, then negative to the red, yellow, and white wire. Use a small flathead or pick tool to remove the original seal from the sealant channel. Use a heat gun and gloves to straighten out any overbent edges. Apply Oracle sealant to the channel, then press the lens back into place. Make sure the original lock tabs lock onto the lens. Lastly, reinstall the bumper support bracket. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for all of our latest install videos.